In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable comments on your blog page effectively. If you're looking to engage more actively with your readers and foster a community around your blog, turning on comments is a fantastic way to start. By the end of this video, you'll have comments up and running on your blog so that your audience can interact with you and each other. Let's begin by navigating to your blog page. You'll want to make sure you are on the editor page of your blog content. If you're new to this, look for a dashboard or menu on the side of your screen where your blog entries are listed. Click on the blog you wish to enable comments for. This is an important first step because you will be accessing specific settings for that particular page. Now that you have your blog page open, look for the settings option. This usually appears as a gear icon somewhere on the top menu bar or sometimes within a drop-down menu. Clicking this will open up various configuration options for your blog post. These settings are crucial as they allow you to customize how your blog operates and appears to your readers. Next, let's focus on enabling comments. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled comments or something similar. This is where you have the ability to turn on the commenting feature. It's quite straightforward, but sometimes it can be a little hidden, so make sure to take your time to spot this particular option. Once you've located the comments section, you'll see an option to enable them. Simply toggle this option on. This will activate the commenting system for your blog. Remember, enabling comments is the cornerstone of creating a lively discussion under your posts, so you've just taken a critical step towards building a community. After you've done that, it's time to choose your comment provider. Different platforms offer various commenting systems, and you might want to explore which one suits your blog best. Popular options often include native commenting systems provided by your blog host or third-party services like Disqus or Facebook Comments. Each service has its own benefits such as moderation features or social media integration, so choose the one that aligns with your blog goals. Once you're happy with your selection, be sure to hit the save button. This will ensure that all of your changes are locked in. It might seem like a small step, but it's crucial. It's what takes your settings from the setup phase to actually being implemented on your blog. Always save your changes to prevent any lost work. Finally, take a moment to publish or update your blog with these new settings. This will make sure that your readers can start leaving comments immediately. By publishing these changes, you're officially opening the floor to discussions, debates, and shared ideas among your readers. And there you have it. Your blog is now ready to welcome commentary from your readers. Don't forget to engage with those who take the time to comment, as this will foster a stronger and more connected community. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps help you bring your blog to life with engaging discussions.